Okay, I need you to stop. Before you buy that ring light, before you download CapCut, before you even think of the name you will give to your channel, I need to tell you something that nobody in the creator space is saying out loud. Most creators fail before they even upload a single video, not because of bad equipment, not because of bad internet. Well, sometimes because of bad internet, but that is not the main reason. The reason is something deeper, something in your head, and today we are going to dig it out, one painful truth at a time. Welcome.
Okay. I have my phone, I have ideas, I have passion. I'm ready to start my YouTube channel. What is stopping me?
You.
What do you mean me? I'm the one who wants to start.
Exactly. You want to start. But wanting and starting are two different zip codes, my brother.
Okay, that is deep, but be specific. What am I doing wrong?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things. 6 reasons creators fail before they even upload one video. You ready?
I was born ready.
You have 0 videos. You were not born ready. Number 1. The perfection trap.
What is that?
It is when you spend 6 months planning your channel instead of 6 minutes recording your first video.
But I need everything to be right. Good camera, good lighting, good background, good audio.
My friend, Mr. Beast started in a bedroom with a laptop, camera and a dream. PewDiePie was just a guy playing video games. Creators like Honest Bunch, Mark Angel, they started with nothing.
But this is Nigeria. People will judge.
People are already not watching your videos because you haven't posted any. The perfect video that doesn't exist helps nobody. The imperfect video that is uploaded can change your life. Perfection is fear in a suit. It is procrastination wearing a tie.
So I should just post?
Post the ugly first video. Post it. Post it today.
Even if the lighting is bad?
Post it.
Even if I fumble my words?
Post it.
Even if my auntie sees it and starts asking questions?
Post it and then block your auntie.
Okay, but real talk. In Nigeria, people don't always support. They will see you on YouTube and say, why is this one doing video? Is he not supposed to be looking for a job?
The WWPS virus. What will people say? It is creators' #1 dream killer. It has killed more careers than bad economy.
So how do you cure it?
Let me ask you a simple question. Are those people paying your bills?
No.
Are they going to share your videos?
Probably not.
Are they going to leave you a supportive comment?
Definitely not.
Then why are you giving them a seat at the table of your destiny? Sir, this is a YouTube video, not church. Listen, people who laugh at you for starting a YouTube channel in 2022 were the same people who laughed at people for starting blogs in 2010. Do you know where those bloggers are now?
Where?
Paid, fully paid, with brand deals, and the people who laughed still laughing, but on an empty stomach.
So the goal is to outlast the ridicule?
The goal is to be so focused on your path that you don't even hear the noise. Creators who make it have this one thing in common: selective hearing. They literally cannot hear negativity.
Like spiritually deaf to hate?
Exactly. Stay spiritually deaf to hate and spiritually loud about your content. Number 3, niche confused disorder.
Wait, what is a niche again? I know what it is. I just want to make sure you know.
A niche is your specific topic, what your channel is about. Finance, comedy, tech reviews, cooking, fitness, relationships. You pick one lane and you drive in it.
But why can't I do everything? I'm talented. I can do comedy, I can do tech, I can do food reviews, and I can do vlogs.
So your channel is about nothing.
My channel is about everything.
Which means the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to nobody.
Explain that.
YouTube's job is to recommend your video to people who will love it. But if your Monday video is a tech review, your Wednesday video is a cooking tutorial, and your Friday video is you ranting about traffic on 3rd Mainland Bridge,
that traffic video will blow, I'm telling you.
Who is your audience?
Nigerians? Nigerians.
Audience who like tech, or audience who like food, or audience who are stuck in traffic. These are three different human beings with three different problems.
So I'm basically confusing the algorithm.
You are not just confusing the algorithm, you are confusing your audience. People subscribe because they know what to expect. If every video is a surprise,
Like a mystery box, yeah.
like a mystery box that nobody asks for, pick one thing you love, one thing you are good at, one thing people are searching for. That is your niche. Stick to it.
But what if I'm still figuring it out?
Then your niche right now is figuring it out, and you document that journey. That is still a niche though.
Wait, that is a thing?
That is literally a whole category on YouTube. Building in public. People love watching someone grow from zero.
Okay, but let me be honest. If my video quality is bad, people will drag me in the comments. Is it this low quality video you are uploading? You know how we are.
Facts. Creators have high standards.
So I need good equipment first, right? Sony camera, lavalier mic, proper studio setup.
How much is all of that going to cost you?
Probably like 800,000 to 1.2 million.
And how much money have you made from YouTube so far?
Zero. I earned nothing from YouTube yet.
So you want to spend 1 million to make 0 naira look fancier?
Okay, but I can't post trash quality.
Nobody said post trash. I said stop letting equipment be your excuse. Your phone, whatever phone you are holding right now, can record 1080p video. Your biggest equipment problem is not your camera, it is your audio.
Audio?
People will watch a slightly blurry video if the audio is clear, but they will click off a beautiful 4K video the moment they hear background generator noise, echo or wind, because audio is the king.
So what do I buy first?
A decent lapel microphone, 5,000 to 50,000 on Jumia. That is it. That is your first investment.
That is all.
Use your phone camera, find a window for natural light, use a 5K mic, record it, edit, upload. You can upgrade equipment with the money YouTube pays you.
But YouTube doesn't pay until 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours.
Which you will never reach if you keep waiting to afford a Sony camera.
Okay. So I post my first video, then what?
Then you post your second video.
And then
Then your third.
And if they don't blow immediately?
Then your fourth.
Oh, but what if after like 5 or 6 videos, nobody is watching?
Then your seventh.
Bro, at some point, don't I give up?
Mr. Beast posted for 3 years before anything happened. 3 years with 0 big hits.
That is extreme.
The average successful YouTube channel took 8 to 18 months of consistent posting before they saw real growth. 8 to 18 months.
So I have to post for a year and be patient?
You have to post, learn, improve, post again, and study what is working. YouTube is not a lottery, it is a compound interest game. The more you post, the more data you get, and the more data you get, the better your videos become. And the better your videos, the bigger your audience.
And Nigeria creators?
Some creators post twice, and if it doesn't blow in 2 weeks, they say YouTube is not for us, and then start selling data.
Why are you attacking us like this?
Because I love us and I want us to win. Consistency is the unfair advantage that everyone has access to but nobody uses. Last one, and this one is the most dangerous.
What is it?
Comparing your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20.
Oh,
You open YouTube, you see Brother Shaggy, millions of subscribers. You see Dima Ume, brand deals, beautiful studio, professional, everything is professional. You see Instablog Ninja running the entire Nigeria internet, and you think I can never get there. Why even try?
that is actually exactly what happened to me.
Brother Shaggy was doing street comedy and posting rough videos for years before the numbers came. Every creator you are comparing yourself to had a moment where they had 74 subscribers and were questioning their life choices.
74 subscribers and they kept going?
They kept going because they were building a skill, not chasing a number. Your first 100 videos are your film school. You are not supposed to go viral. You are supposed to get better.
So the whole journey is the point?
The journey is the content, and when you look back at video 1 and video 100, the difference will make you cry in a good way. But you have to start to ever get to video 100.
What if I start and I'm still bad after 100 videos?
You won't be. Nobody who practices something 100 times is still as bad as they started. That is literally impossible. Let's run it back real quick. 6 reasons creators fail before they upload one video. Number 1, the perfection trap. Waiting until everything is perfect, which means waiting forever.
Number 2, the WWPS virus. Paralyzed by what people will say. Spoiler, they will say something either way to discourage you.
Number 3, niche confusion disorder. Trying to do everything, ending up talking to nobody.
And number 4, the gear disease. Waiting for a 1 million setup before posting a free video.
Yes, and number 5, consistency allergy. Posting twice and quitting when the world doesn't immediately respond.
And number 6, the comparison cancer. Measuring your beginning against someone else's highlight reel.
Now here is your challenge.
Tell them.
This week, before this video leaves your watch history, record something, anything at all, just record. Even if it's 60 seconds, even if it's your fan, even if your fan is making noise in the background, even if you are wearing a rumpled shirt, record it, edit it, even a little bit and upload.
Don't save it as draft. Don't show your friend first. Don't wait for the right time.
Upload it and then come back here and drop the link in the comments. I will watch it.
Wait, are you actually going to watch all of them? I will try my best. There are many of us. So you watching this video, if this video helped you, please do something for me. Share it with one creator you know has been sitting on their content. You know who it is. That friends who has been saying I will start soon for the last year and a half. Send them this video. It might be the thing that pushes them. Subscribe if you are new. We talk about content creation, digital growth, and building something real. And drop in the comments what is your number 1 reason you haven't started yet. Let's be honest in the comment section. No judgment. We are all figuring this out together. I will see you in the next one.